Hey there, future selling superstars. Have you ever wanted to turn your old stuff into cash? Well, guess what? You totally can. Selling things online is like having a giant yard sale, but way more people can come. It's super easy to do. And you can sell almost anything. Old clothes? Yes. Video games? Absolutely. That awesome lava lamp your grandma gave you? Someone out there will love it. Selling online is fun, easy, and a great way to make some extra money. Are you ready to get started? Let's do it. So, you want to sell your stuff online? Awesome! It's a great way to declutter your home and make some extra cash. But where do you start? There are so many choices. It can be overwhelming to figure out which platform is the best for you. Well, let me tell you about one of my favorites, Mercari. It's a user-friendly app that makes the whole process simple and fun. Mercari is like a giant online flea market. Imagine all the treasures you can find and sell right from your phone. People buy and sell all sorts of cool stuff there, from vintage clothes to the latest gadgets, you name it, it's probably on Mercari. But the best part, it's super easy to use. The interface is intuitive and listing items takes just a few minutes. Seriously, even your grandma could do it. Maybe you can help her sell that lava lamp. The app guides you through each step. Mercari is also really safe. They have measures in place to ensure secure transactions. They help protect both buyers and sellers. You can feel confident knowing your transactions are secure. Plus, they make shipping a breeze. You can print shipping labels directly from the app and track your packages easily. So what are you waiting for? Let's get you selling on Mercari. It's time to turn your unused items into cash and find new treasures. Okay, time to list your first item. This guide will walk you through each step, making it simple and fun. Don't worry, it's easier than making a bowl of cereal. Seriously, if you can make breakfast, you can do this. First, take a picture of what you're selling. Use your smartphone to capture it from different angles. Make sure it's clear and shows all the good stuff. Good lighting and neat arrangement can make a big difference. Next, tell everyone about your item. What is it? Describe it in detail. What's so great about it? Be honest and friendly. Now pick a price. Make sure it's competitive. Look at similar items to see what they're going for. Almost there. Choose a shipping option that works best for you. Mercari has some great choices that make it easy and affordable. You can even print shipping labels right from home. Last step, hit that listed button. It's the moment of truth. Boom! You're officially a Mercari seller. Congratulations. Now sit back and wait for the offers to roll in. Section 4. Picture perfect photos and descriptions that sell. Want people to buy your stuff? Of course you do. But how do you make your products stand out in a crowded online marketplace? The answer lies in your photos and descriptions. Here's the secret. Take amazing photos and write killer descriptions. This is your chance to make a great first impression. Think about it. When you're shopping online, you can't touch the item. You rely entirely on the visuals and the text to make your decision. So the photos and description are super important. They need to convey the quality, the details, and the unique aspects of your product. For photos, use natural light. It makes your product look more appealing and true to life. No one wants to see a blurry picture taken in a dark basement. Poor lighting can make even the best products look unappealing. Show the item from different angles, highlight any cool features. This helps the buyer get a complete view and feel more confident in their purchase. For descriptions, be clear and concise, avoid jargon and keep it simple. Tell people what they need to know, include dimensions, materials, and any other relevant details. Be honest about any flaws. Transparency builds trust and can actually increase sales. And don't forget to add some personality. A touch of humor or a unique voice can make your product stand out and be more memorable. Section 5. You got a sale. Now what? Woohoo! You made a sale. Give yourself a high five. Now let's get that item to its new home. First, check your messages. The buyer might have some questions. Once everything is good to go, pack your item carefully. You don't want it to break during shipping. Mercari will send you a shipping label. Print it out and stick it on your package. Easy peasy. Now, just drop your package off at the post office or schedule a pickup. You did it. Section 6. Shipping smoothly and getting paid. Shipping is a breeze with Mercari. They offer prepaid labels so you don't have to worry about calculating postage. Plus, they have different shipping options to fit your needs and budget. Once the buyer receives the item, Mercari releases your payment. See, I told you it was easy. You can choose to get paid through direct deposit or use your earnings to buy more awesome stuff on Mercari. So there you have it. You're now a Mercari master. Get out there and start selling. You got this.